Hi everybody, my name is Don DeFlavis. I'm the owner of DeFlavis Construction LLC. I'm a general contractor in Bonita Springs, Florida. I specialize in the Bonita Springs, Estero, Naples market. Our focus, what I always tell my employees and the people that work for me is we are customer service oriented. You know, the most important thing is that our customers are satisfied with what we're doing. So I want to tell you a little bit about the history of the company and myself as a general contractor. My grandfather was a general contractor. He was a stonemason actually from Italy, came over here in the late 1800s. He immigrated to New York State where my family lived until the mid-60s when we came to Florida, and that's where I was raised. I was 6 years old and I've lived in Florida ever since. So it's in my blood. My father was a general contractor, so I grew up. I mean, some of my earliest memories, I was maybe 4 or 5 years old, and I went out to a job where my dad was remodeling somebody's kitchen, and he was covered in sawdust, and I just had the idea, you know, I'd love to do this one day, and it's become my dream, and it's what I do. It's a family business. It's multi-generational. You know, we take a lot of pride in our work. We give a really good product, a really good experience from the ground up, from design right on through completion. Our company focus is interior remodeling. We do kitchen and bath remodeling. We do whole home, whether it's a condominium apartment or a residential home. We do whole interiors, or if you just have a kitchen you want to remodel, we do standalone kitchens and standalone baths. We do estimates for whole interior remodelings. There's no charge. We come out, see what you'd like to do, give ideas, and we take the process from there. You know, all these projects start with an idea. So we take that idea, we add on to it, we grow it until at the planning stage, you have a really good idea what we're going to do, and then we execute that plan, and you end up with a beautiful new space. A lot of the customers that we work for become friends. Just recently, I posted a picture on Facebook of a gathering where we had just finished a total remodel in the ladies' kitchen, and my whole staff, she made us dinner and we went over. So to make a major investment like remodeling, you want it to be a good experience, and we want that as well. We really want you to end up with a project that you're happy with and that you love. It's been a pleasure speaking with you today, and I look forward to talking with you about your dream and making it a reality.